Hello friends, this is second part of how to run SQL query on local machine using SQL Developer. So in previous part 1, we have seen how to install Oracle database, and in this video we are going to see how to install Oracle SQL Developer. So here I am copying this link, pasting it over here and pressing enter. So here you can see this SQL Developer 19.2.1 is available. According to your requirement, you can download it. I am downloading it for this Windows, right? Now, if you are downloading it with Windows 64-bit JDK 8, then there is no need to install JDK explicitly. And if you are downloading this, then JDK should be installed in your computer. So right now I am going to use this approach. Fine. Now I am going to click on this download. I'm going to accept this and click on download. So it will download the zip file. Now it is going to ask for the signing. If you don't have an account, then you can create it, and it is free of cost. You can just download it. Fine. So here I have already downloaded it, SQL Developer. What you can do is, this is zip file. You can right click on it and extract it over here. So I have also extracted it over here. Now after extracting it, what you can do is just click on this application. So this dialog box will appear and click on run. Now it is going to ask you the path for JDK. Now JDK resides in C, in program files, in Java, right? So here I am opening that path. Now here I have 3 JDK installed, 1.8, 14 and 1.8.0_101. Now suppose I am giving this path over here. Then what is going to happen is, now see, when you after setting the JDK, here it is giving me error, unsupported JDK version. That means what is the error? You are attempting to run with Java 1.8.0. So here the minimum Java version required is 1.8.0_10121, and a maximum version is less than 11.1. Okay. So what we have done is, we have already set this particular variable. So if we have already set it, then we can update it using this path which is given over here. So what I can do is, first of all I will go to this path. So I will click on window R. I am going to use this path which is given /appdata/roaming/SQL developer /19.2.1. okay. Now on that, click over this file. Now you have to change this path to the JDK which you are going to install. So here I have provided one link through which you can download this Java SE development kit, right? I am pasting it over here. Here in this Java SE, I have downloaded this Java SE 9 archive, right? You can download any Java SE development which is supported by your version of SQL Developer, right? So here I have already downloaded it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install it over here. According to your requirement, you can download it from here, right? I have downloaded this for Windows. So it will take some time. Now it is asking for the permission, and now it will be installed. And as soon as it will be installed, you will be able to see it over here on the path which we have entered in our kit. So it should be present over here if it is properly installed. The one dialog box is there and it is saying that this setup is preparing the install wizard. Fine. So it is going to take some time. So please wait over here. Click on next, next, and then it will be installed. See, now it is copying new files. Fine. Okay, so now click on next, and now the Java is being installed. Okay, now it is showing the message that it is successfully installed. Now close it, and now you can check it over here on the C drive files. Here it is installed, right? So what you can do is you can just click over here, copy this path, go to this product config file and just paste it over here and save it, and then close the file. Now if you click on SQL Developer, right, this is what we have extracted. Now if you click on this and run, see, it is getting loaded. So the installation of that Java SE took 4 to 5 minutes, fine. And after that, setting that particular path in config file, okay, so friends, see, here it is, the home page of the SQL Developer. Now, if I want to create a connection over here, that means if I want to run any query, right, then just click over here. So it will create new connection to your database. Now to run this query, what is required is your data your database should be running. Your database service should be running. So here I am closing this unwanted tabs. Fine. And to run the database, what is required is we have to log into the our database. So here this is the page. This I'm entering the password and then press on login. So your database is started. Now you can connect this. Let us say I'm giving this and enter the password. Fine. And what is our role? Our role is sysdba because we are operating this main database, right? As you are connecting to your local machine itself, right? You have to write localhost over here, or you can write 127.0.0.0.1. Fine. Or and one more thing, if you are trying to connect to some another machine or say server, then you have to provide IP address of that server over here and SID which is defined over there. Here our SID is XE which is predefined, right? Now if I test it, see the status is successful, right? And if I press connect, again it asks for the password for security reasons. And now as you can see my connection is made over here, right? So we have successfully installed database as well as the SQL developer. Now if I click on this connection, you can see various different packages, then tables, view, indexes, functions, triggers, all of these things over here.